Every day I'm working with my restoration business clients on profitability. It's just so important. In this video, I'm going to share 3 ideas with you about profitability that you might not have considered. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in the business, and to build something they can sell someday when they decide it's time to move on. And not just sell for a lot of money. Okay, profitability. Number 1, reward yourself. It's a really tough business, right? So why not be as profitable as you can be? And when it comes to profitability and reward, I want you to think not just short term, like your paycheck and your distribution. I want you to think about the long-term value of your business. If you don't have at least a rudimentary understanding of how restoration businesses are valued today, click the link below this video, book a call with me, and let's talk. Number 2, be the top employer. If you're more profitable, you're going to have more resources available to provide things like a bonus program, like benefits, like some paid time off. If you're more profitable, you're going to be able to attract a higher level of employee. And let's face it, it's tougher than ever. I think this is universal all around the country. It's really tough to find great people. So be more profitable, attract better people. Number 3, enjoy life more. And I don't just mean buying things. I don't mean buying that boat. That's important too if you want a boat, or buying that new car, or buying a second home. Enjoy life, because if you're profitable at the level that this industry allows for, you're going to be more at ease, right? So enjoy life more. Be as profitable as you can be. If you want to talk, if you want to find out how I might be able to help you, or how I'm working with other clients, please book a call with me. We'll spend 15, 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, and I guarantee you're going to come away with either an action plan, or you're just going to have learned something that you didn't know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.